Okay, so once you've downloaded some content from Lexis-Nexis, here's an example of one kind of analysis you could do. I have open in front of me here two Word files. This first Word file containing the Herman Cain content from Fox News, and then also this Word file containing the Herman Cain content from MSNBC. Thirdly, I have this spreadsheet open. And it's basically a pivot table with a chi-square test already programmed. And I just need to fill in these yellow boxes here with some information from the content that I've downloaded. So let's start with the Fox News content. The first piece of information I need is the number of words total that the number of total words of information that Fox News had in the week's worth of coverage that mentioned Herman Cain. And that number is 197,305, 197,305 words. So let me go to my spreadsheet. That information goes here in the grand total column, 197,305. Okay. And this is Fox News. That goes right here. So I can just keep track of which content comes from where. Now let's do the same thing for MSNBC. Okay, I need the total number of words in the MSNBC coverage. That's right here. And Word is reporting 200,994. So let me go back to the spreadsheet. 200,994. There we go. So now I need the number of well, I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself. Let's go back to the Fox News content here. And since this is the period about a week right after Herman Cain made his fairly controversial comment about the electrified fence on the U.S.-Mexico border, let's see how many times Fox News coverage included the term fence. I just typed in fence there. By the way, I got this, this search menu up by choosing Find up here in the upper right corner. I forgot to show you that step. Choose Find up here and this search menu comes up. So I've typed in fence, and when you hit enter, Word will tell you how many times it found the word fence in all this content we've downloaded, and it looks like it's 26 times in the Fox News content. So during that week, Fox News mentioned the term fence in its Herman Cain coverage 26 times. So let's see how often MSNBC mentioned the term fence. Get to the right. There it is. Here's MSNBC. I'm going to do the same search, fence, and hit enter. Must have done something wrong here. Oh, looks like I misspelled fence. It found fence 75 times in the MSNBC content. Okay. There's 75. All right, and all the calculations are already done. We might want to say we're using the term fence here just so we can not confuse ourselves. And so the spreadsheet is reporting some interesting things. All right, Fox News used the term fence about 1.3 times for every 10,000 words of coverage that week about Herman Cain. MSNBC used the term fence, or the word fence, about almost 4 times per 10,000 words in its coverage of Herman Cain during that week. So obviously MSNBC mentioned the term fence in connection with Herman Cain about 3, almost 4 times more often than Fox News did. So that suggests something about perhaps second level agenda setting here in terms of comparing Fox News with MSNBC. Furthermore, the spreadsheet has looked at the observed counts here of the number of times that the term fence was mentioned and compared it with the expected counts computed here, just the same way you've learned how to do in class, and computed a chi-square test. And that test is quite a bit less than 0.05, suggesting that this pattern that you're looking at here is different enough to suggest that it's non-random, that there's something systematic going on. And the most likely explanation is that MSNBC treated the Herman Cain fence issue differently than Fox News did. So that's one example of the kind of simple content analysis you can do for your project. There are certainly other possibilities, but this is the kind of thing you can do.